Yes, so we have officially finished the 3 weeks of intense workshop activity. We had a really good result. It was nice seeing the friendship sort of develop with everyone, and just like people coming out of their shell and being more confident in their abilities. And that's something that I've always liked. It's just nice to see people find their feet.
Yeah, your voice would be great for this.
It's sitting exactly where.
I heard the silkiness then. Yeah. What do you think, Ruby? Ruby is frozen with.
She's so happy that she can't move. A really fun thing is just literally like telling someone to scream their highest note, and then doing stuff with that, because that's always fun to mess around with.
I won't be doing that. I've got neighbours.
Yeah, like at home that's a bit harder.
Right, shall we go from the top? See if we can remember.
Well, why not?
Yeah.
Why not, Daisy? Why not? Okay. Oh, wait. Let me sure we sign it on the top.
So we put the project on to kind of let people know that it didn't matter what level of hearing you had, you could make music, and that's exactly what happened. We made some great music, made some great videos, and no matter what everyone's level of hearing, everyone was communicating fine.
I quite liked it being online, if I'm being honest, because obviously I'm hard of hearing, but I have I have other disabilities. So for me, it being online was it was a way of not being different, and I really liked that, because we were all just the same. We were all just in our rooms, trying to figure it out as we were going.
Everyone was on a level field. It didn't feel like at any point that there was sort of some people were disadvantaged during this project. I think everyone got their equal say and their equal share of work. I mean, it's easy for me to say as someone without hearing difficulties, but it doesn't feel like that came up as an issue.
Is it a good thing to do if you don't hear very well, to work with people who help you?
Help with signing.
They helped with signing, yes, they did. Yeah, Joseph and Owen were great with signing, weren't they?
So we have memory. Not a sound from the. We didn't do anything, did we?
Mm-hmm.
But that's quite nice, because it almost seems like it's still as well. But that's the pain.
No, not sound.
That's noise.
Not a sound. Okay. So memory, not a sound. Payment.
It was lovely, because we do some Makaton, and we do it together. Most people don't know what she's doing. So when she's signing to people, they don't understand it, and no one signs back to her. So to be in this environment where we all signed, and it was a mixture, and it was BSL and Makaton together, but it's been brilliant.
Over rainbow.
I'm not on your sleeves.
Is that yours, Daisy? Makaton?
Yeah.
Over. Nice. Over rainbow. Lovely. Yeah, beautiful. Look, she can't help but dance.
Daisy's was I really enjoyed it.
I loved when we got Ruby on board, because her voice sounds like who she is. She's a young woman, and it reflected Daisy dancing and experiencing it as a young woman.
Well, it was really fun to try something new.
When that came through, it was like, wow. Yeah, that's what it's all about.
Did that sound all right, Daisy?
Sounds lovely, doesn't it?
Even outside of like a lockdown environment, this is the kind of thing that sort of inspires young artists to actually do their thing.
What do you think about playing like a little blues section there, like a blue line, like dun 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 dun?
Yeah, sure.
It's pretty sorted. We've got an idea of what we want to do.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
I'm really excited.
So all in all, Be Seen and Heard exceeded all of our expectations, and we've had some great productivity and some great videos and tunes and friendships born out of it. And especially given the circumstances, I'm really pleased on how it all went, and I can't wait to do it again, and this time face to face.
I really don't know what to say because I've loved it so much, really.
But I would say to anybody in this situation, get on board with it because it's such a valuable opportunity.
It's just been nice to sort of have kind of like a little oasis where like music can be made again.
I just hope I can work on another project like this, even in the future, if I can be part of something like this again, or even help with something like this again. I'd love to help other people to be part of this as well.
This has been something I couldn't have paid for. I couldn't have afforded all this time with people who are professionals in the field. So to have it like this as a project has just been amazing.
It's been amazing. I have genuinely really loved it.
Would you like to do it again?
Yeah, please.
Yes, please.
I'm going to miss it.
We could set the world on fire with our discontent. Universities are closed but we're still paying rent. And we're all left home alone, talking to our friends every night on the phone. Got to stay safe, got to stay alert. Shouldn't be too hard for an introvert. All around the world, statues are falling. I am still young, searching for my calling. I just want
Lift the flag gravity and open up the door. The door.
defy gravity and open up the
Brilliant.
Yeah, amazing work.
And we'll be able to do it in the flesh at some point.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
if we can create this on a computer without actually connecting properly, and we're actually in a rooms together, it will just
Think of what we can do, yeah.
it's so much easier when you're together. It's so much easier, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if we can do this like this, then
So if we get together, we just need to be sure to bring individual frames for each of our heads.
yeah, literally, like, who are you?
Oh, you're mute. It's like, no, just not say anything. Not say anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, lovely. Lovely to see you on that. Fantastic. Really enjoyed it.
Well, I'll propose a cheers to all of you.
Yeah.
So awesome.
We've all got empty
And new friends.
Yeah.
It's been really lovely, and it is just a start.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I loved every minute of it. Even telling me where I've got the photography wrong.
I feel really inspired and like lucky to work with so many talented people. Like
Yeah, me too.
I think it's kind of surpassed what I thought it could have been.
Yeah.
I'm so inspired by everyone's work and everyone's like fun attitude and like giving it a go, and because we none of us really knew each other, and we've came together and made this group in such a short amount of time. It's amazing.
He's crying now.
No, it's only because you will start it.
I'm going to cry now. I'm going to cry. I've got to keep her occupied 5 days a week now.
I was really worried that this would be a little bit crap, but it really wasn't. It was the opposite. Like it's all worked out really well, and we've done so much in it. So
yeah, just a new way of working, isn't it?
Yeah.
yeah, it's been really good. It's been really good to meet you all.
Just shows you get a spark.
A little bit crap.
Phil, when we do Be Seen and Heard too, can we have T-shirts at the front? It says Be Seen and Heard, and on the back it says thought it was going to be crap.
No, it was crap.
Yes.
Oh, I love it.
2021, not as crap as it's
Not as crap as I thought.
Dot.
See you later, guys.
Good night, everybody.
Bye, everyone. You were all amazing. Thank you so much.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.